Let's learn how easily we can solve this particular question from election which has been repeated several times in your previous year paper. Here it is given, in an election 4,000 votes were polled. That means how many votes were given? Total number of votes were 4,000. If one of the two candidates got 40% votes, that means here we are talking about two candidates. Let one be A, another one be B. One of them has got 40% of the total vote. Then if the total number of votes is 100%, then 100 minus 40, the other one will get 60% of the vote. Then only total will be 100% because total means always 100%. Now it is asked, then how many votes was he defeated? So who is defeated? A. So defeated by what percentage of vote? 60 minus 40, that is 20% less vote he has got. So defeated by 20%. So you need the actual value of this 20%, and the actual value of 100%, that is the total vote polled, is given. That is 100% is representing what? 4,000, and you need the value of 20%, that is X number of votes. And to calculate this faster, you can just avoid the calculation of zeros. That is 1 is becoming what? 4, that means into 4. So 2 will become 2 into 4, that is 8. So 8 you are getting in option number 4. So this will be your correct answer. Or what you can do, that is 100 divided by 5 is 20. So 4,000 divided by 5 if you do, then you will get 800. So like this also you can find out. So my dear students, if you find the content of this video helpful, do like, subscribe and share this video with your friends, and to get notification of newly uploaded important contents of our channel, you need to click on the bell icon. See you in the next video with new important content. Till then, keep practicing, keep improving.